everyone, welcome back to new updates of Odoo 80. In today's video, we will discuss about how to sell the event tickets in POS. So for that, first we can just dive into the event module, and from the configuration settings, we just need to enable the event tickets. So as you just drag down here, you can find the ticket with POS. This would allow you to sell tickets with point of sale. So once you have made the changes in the configuration settings, you can just move to the point of sale. So let me just dive into the point of sale, and here you can find all the point of sale that is available. Now let's create a new point of sale to manage the event, or you can just choose the existing one also. But I would like to create a new point of sale in order to manage my events only. So here I'm going to create a point of sale name as events, and later on you can save this, and let me move on to the configuration settings in order to set certain details over here. So here you can see currently we are in the point of sale of events, and here you can find that we can just restrict the categories. So this would pick which product POS categories are available. So I would like to choose events over here, and later on let me save the changes that I have made. And later on I'll be going to the products to manage with the event product. So as I just move on to the products, here you can see all the product that is filtered based on available in point of sale. Now you can just move on to the filter again and choose services. And here you would be able to find all the product that is associated with event. So here you can find the event registrations, virtual home staging, virtual interior designs, and event registration VIP. Now, I have just made everything as my favorite. Now let's move on to the dashboard. So as we just move on to the dashboard, we know that we can find every POS in our database. Afterwards, you can just open the register, which means you're just going to open the POS. And here you can just log in by setting the opening cache. So here I'm going to set the opening cache. So opening cache is nothing but that is the cache that we balance in our draw. So afterwards, you can just click on Open Register. Here you would be able to find the conference for architects, live music festival, and Openwood collection online. So here you can see only 195 is left, and here I think we have more openings. So let me choose that. As I just choose, here you would be able to find we can select the tickets for live musical festival. As it's free, you can see that we don't just need to make any payment, and here you can set the tickets, and the standard tickets is left with 1200, and VIP ticket only left with 50 quantity. Now you can set the quantity. So I would like to place one ticket which is of standard ticket. So I'm going to confirm the ticket, and I just need to fill out the details. So here I'm going to give the details over here, that is the name as well as the email, which is mandatory. And afterwards we can provide the phone number. And let's confirm the ticket. So here you can see that as this ticket is free, we don't need to make any payment. We can just go with the registration by choosing the validate button. And you can see we have to wait for a while in order to further, do the process. And here you can see that we have just ordered for the ticket, and you can also find everything over here. Now let's close the registration, that is the register. So you can see that the ticket will be registered in the event module. So you can just move on to the backend, and in the backend you would be able to find the ticket. So let's move on to the event module. In the event module, you can just see the live music festival, and here you can see that there are 7 attendees, and as you just move on to the attendees, you would be able to find the attendees over here. And if you want to find the badge general, you can easily find that. So if you want to view the ticket, you can view the ticket over here. So let's open this. So here you can see that we have just got the ticket, and this is the badge or the ticket for the event. And if you want to set it as attended, you can just mark it as attended. So here you can see this will be moving from the registered state to the attended state. And here you can see that the status has just turned into attendees. And here you can also find that the sales status is free, as we don't need to make any payment for this ticket. So that's how we just deal with the event tickets in POS. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.